Welcome to Savannah Arts Academy. Located in the heart of Midtown Savannah lies the first dedicated performing arts school in Savannah. Students concentrate in one of several art majors, ranging from visual arts to film, theater, dance, and music. Founded in 1998 with the vision to provide students with an atmosphere that promotes academic and artistic excellence, is what sets Savannah Arts Academy apart. Not only has Savannah Arts Academy been voted the #1 high school in Georgia, it's also been named by U.S. News and World Report as a top 500 school in the nation. Savannah Arts Academy was also named Newsweek's list of Best American High Schools, awarded the Governor's Cup for the second year in a row for highest SAT scores, and has the largest number of Governor's Honors Program participants each year. Savannah Arts Academy also exceeds state and national averages on the SAT and ACT scores. Savannah Arts Academy prides itself on its students' artistic and academic achievements, creating its own unique atmosphere. The only thing that's missing is you.